Health insurance plans from the same company can often appear almost identical at first glance, especially when the name and basic benefits look similar. But once you start comparing the plans in detail by looking at the coverage structure, unique benefits, optional benefits, and long-term advantage, you may realize that even small differences can have a big impact on how the policy actually works when you need to make a claim. And before we move ahead, hi, I'm Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, and at PolicyHub we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And in this video we will do a detailed comparison between Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 and Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0, and we will go feature by feature and understand important aspects like claim settlement ratio, network hospitals, eligibility criteria, sum insured options, core coverage benefits, unique features, optional benefits, waiting periods, and even how the premium works. And by the end of this video you will clearly understand which plan may suit your needs better and what key differences you should know before choosing between these two policies. So when comparing Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 with Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0, the first factor to look at is the claim settlement ratio. So both plans maintain a claim settlement ratio of 92%, which indicates that the insurer settles a significant portion of the claim received, and this reflects a reliable claim servicing experience for policyholders. And another important factor is the network hospital coverage. Both ReAssure 3.0 and ReAssure 2.0 provides access to 10,000 plus network hospitals across India, and it's allow policyholders to avail cashless hospitalization at a large number of healthcare facilities. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria, both plans allow entry from 18 years up to a maximum of age of 99 years, while dependent children can be covered up to the age of 30 years. And there is a small difference in the premium payment tenure. In ReAssure 3.0, the payment tenure can go up to 5 years, whereas in ReAssure 2.0, the maximum payment tenure available is 3 years. And the sum insured option also show a key difference between the two plans. ReAssure 3.0 offers an unlimited sum insured concept, which means the coverage can restore and continued under a specified policy condition. And on the other hand, ReAssure 2.0 offers fixed sum insured option ranging from 5 lakh and goes up to maximum 1 crore. And it's giving customers multiple coverage choices but within a defined limit. And finally, when we look at the plan variants, ReAssure 3.0 comes with 4 variants: Classic, Select, Elite and Black variant, and each designed to offer different levels of coverage and benefit. And in comparison, ReAssure 2.0 provides 4 variants: Gold, Diamond, Platinum and Titanium. It's allow customer to choose a plan according to their coverage needs and budgets. Now let's compare the basic feature of Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 and Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0. Feature by feature to understand how these two plans differ in terms of coverage and benefits. So starting with inpatient hospitalization. Both plans follow the standard rules where a minimum hospitalization of 24 hours is required for the treatment to be eligible for a claim. So in this aspect, both plans provide the same coverage condition. Next is the room rent benefit. Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0. The room category depends on the variant you have chosen, while the Black variant allows coverage for any room type. And on the other hand, ReAssure 2.0 offers no room rent limit, which means policyholders have more flexibility in selecting a hospital room without worrying about sublimits. And if we talk about pre-hospitalization expenses, both plans provide coverage for 60 days before hospitalization, and this includes expenses like doctor consultation, diagnostic tests, and medicine related to illness before admission. And similarly, post-hospitalization expenses are covered for 180 days after discharge under both plans, and this ensures that follow-up treatment, medicines, and recovery-related medical costs are also taken care of. And when it comes to the bonus structure, ReAssure 3.0 works differently because it already offers an unlimited sum insured concept. So there is no traditional no claim bonus in this plan. And in comparison, ReAssure 2.0 does not offer a no claim bonus either, but it provides a booster benefit where the unused sum insured can accumulate and increase up to 10 times over the years. Like if you don't use your policy, then you can carry forward your unused sum insured. So both plans also covers IUS treatments, organ donor expenses, domiciliary hospitalization and modern medical treatment, and these benefits are covered up to the sum insured in both ReAssure 3.0 and ReAssure 2.0. And now let's look at the ReAssure Forever feature. In ReAssure 3.0, There is no restoration benefit because the plan already provides unlimited sum insured and it's allow multiple claims without exhausting the coverage. And in contrast, ReAssure 2.0 activates the ReAssure Plus benefit after the first claim. And once triggered, it can provide unlimited reinstatement for future claims. And although each claim is limited to the base sum insured. And another interesting feature is ReAssure 3.0 is the lock the clock benefit. With this benefit, the premium remains fixed as per your entry age until a claim is made. And however, this feature is not available in the classic and select variant. And in ReAssure 2.0, this feature is not available at all. When it comes to Lock the Clock Plus, neither ReAssure 3.0 nor ReAssure 2.0 currently offer this feature. Both plans also provide unlimited e-consultation within the network and it's allow policyholder to consult doctor online without any restriction on the number of consultation. For shared accommodation benefit, ReAssure 3.0 does not provide this feature and ReAssure 2.0 offers a daily allowance for shared accommodation up to 800 rupees per day, maximum 4800 rupees for base sum insured up to 15 lakh and 1000 rupees per day, maximum 6000 rupees for base sum insured above 15 lakh. And if we look at the second medical opinion, ReAssure 3.0 allow unlimited second medical opinion in a policy year within the network hospitals, while ReAssure 2.0 allow only one second medical opinion per condition in a policy year. And finally, in the ambulance coverage, ReAssure 3.0 offers road ambulance coverage that can be unlimited in the black variant and air ambulance coverage up to 5 lakh rupees per hospitalization, and it's depending on the variant selected. In comparison, ReAssure 2.0 covers road ambulance expenses up to the sum insured, while air ambulance coverage is available up to 2.5 lakh per hospitalization. Let's look at the unique feature offered by Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 and Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0, as this is where both plans start to differentiate themselves more clearly. In ReAssure 3.0, one of the standout features is the option to pay an additional loading and get coverage for pre-existing disease from day one. This can be particularly useful for people who already have medical condition and want immediate coverage without waiting for the standard waiting period. And in addition to this, the plan also offers a day one health checkup option where policyholders can avail health checkup based on predefined package as an optional benefit. And on the other hand, ReAssure 2.0 provides an inbuilt annual health checkup benefit from day one. And the policy covers a defined list of medical tests with a limit of 500 rupees for every 1 lakh of base sum insured. And the benefit is capped at 5000 rupees per insured in an individual policy and 10,000 rupees per policy in a family floater plan, and making it a useful preventive healthcare feature included within the policy itself. And now let's move to the optional benefit available in Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 and Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0, because this is where the flexibility and customization of the plan become more visible. So starting with the cashback benefit. This feature is available only in ReAssure 3.0. Under this option, policyholder can accumulate cashback for every claim-free year, and the accumulated amount can be used to pay for premiums, OPD expenses, deductibles, or co-payments. So typically, you earn 10% of the first renewal premium and 5% of every subsequent renewal premium. And if you maintain 3 consecutive claim-free years, you can receive an additional bonus on the accumulated cashback. And this feature is not available in ReAssure 2.0. Next is the safeguard benefit, which is not available in ReAssure 3.0, but it offers as an optional add-on in ReAssure 2.0. And this benefit mainly focuses on covering non-payable items during hospitalization and also protects certain benefits like booster or sum insured adjustment. It may also include CPI-linked increase in the base sum insured, helping the coverage grow with inflation. Both plans also offer a Safeguard Plus option. With this benefit, non-payable medical items listed in the policy annexure are covered, which can significantly reduce out-of-pocket expenses during a claim. And ReAssure 2.0, the feature also includes additional safeguards like protecting the booster benefit if the claim amount stays within a defined limit and linking the base sum insured growth with inflation. Another optional add-on in ReAssure 3.0 is Well Consult Plus. So with this feature, policyholder can choose OPD coverage up to 5 times of the total premium, which can be used for expenses such as doctor consultation, diagnostic tests, pharmacy bill, and even wellness related services like gym membership. And this benefit generally comes with copayment in reimbursement claims, and this feature is not available in ReAssure 2.0. For personal accident coverage, both plans provide an optional benefit, but the structure is different. In ReAssure 3.0, the coverage limit depend on the variant you have chose. So up to 10 lakh in Classic, 20 lakh in Select, 50 lakh in Elite, and up to 1 crore in the Black variant. And in comparison, ReAssure 2.0 offers personal accident coverage up to 5 times the base sum insured, with a maximum limit of 1 crore. And moving to the hospital daily cash benefit, both plans offer this optional feature but with slightly different structure. So in ReAssure 3.0, the daily allowance depend on the variant. 1000 rupees per day in Classic and Select variant, 2000 rupees per day in Elite, and 4000 rupees per day in the Black variant. So generally for a maximum of 30 days of hospitalization. And in ReAssure 2.0, the benefit depends on the base sum insured, starting from 1000 rupees per day for lower coverage levels and going up to 4000 rupees per day for higher coverage amount. And another customization option is the annual aggregate deductible. ReAssure 3.0 provides multiple deductible options ranging from 10,000 to 5 lakh, and it's allow policyholder to adjust their premium and out-of-pocket expenses. In contrast, ReAssure 2.0 offers a smaller deductible options such as 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. And ReAssure 3.0 also provides a tier network option where policyholder get access to a large list of preferred hospitals, and if treatment is taken outside this network, co-payment may apply. And this option is not available in ReAssure 2.0. Another advantage in ReAssure 3.0 is the option to modify waiting period. Policyholders can reduce the pre-existing disease waiting period to 12 or 24 months and the specific disease waiting period to 12 months or 36 months, depending on the option you have selected. And these waiting period modification options are not available in ReAssure 2.0. ReAssure 3.0 also allows customer to choose different co-payment options ranging from 0%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% and even 50%. So which can help reduce the premium cost depending on the customer's preference. This level of co-payment customization is not offered in ReAssure 2.0. And finally, ReAssure 3.0 includes the borderless treatment option where policyholder in higher variant can receive treatment anywhere in the world up to a defined limit depending on the variant selected. And this international treatment feature is not available in ReAssure 2.0, making ReAssure 3.0 more flexible for people looking for global medical access. And if we talk about the waiting periods, both Niva Bupa ReAssure 3.0 and Niva Bupa ReAssure 2.0 follow almost the same structure. Both plan comes with an initial waiting period of 30 days, during which most illnesses are not covered except accidental cases. For pre-existing disease, both plans have a waiting period of 36 months. This means if a policyholder already has a medical condition before purchasing the policy, the coverage for that condition will start only after completing 3 continuous policy years. And similarly, for certain specified disease or medical procedures, both plans apply a 24 months waiting period before claims related to those conditions become eligible. And now coming to the premium structure, there is a difference between the two plans. ReAssure 3.0, the premium is divided into 8 different zones, and the premium amount depends on the zone in which the insured person resides, and the zone-wise premium details can be displayed on the screen for better understanding. And on the other hand, ReAssure 2.0 has a simpler premium structure with only 2 zones, and similarly the zone-wise premium can be shown on the screen. So in my honest opinion, both ReAssure 3.0 and 2.0 are strong health insurance, but they are designed for slightly different type of customers. ReAssure 3.0 focuses more on flexibility, customization and long-term advantages, especially with features like the unlimited sum insured concept, multiple optional add-ons, waiting period modification option and global treatment benefit in higher variants. So these features can be useful for people who want a highly customizable plan and are comfortable exploring additional options to enhance their coverage. And on the other hand, ReAssure 2.0 is relatively simpler and more straightforward. It still offers strong core coverage with benefits like the booster feature, no room rent limit, and an inbuilt annual health checkup benefit. For customers who prefer a plan that is easier to understand and do not necessarily need to multiple optional add-ons, ReAssure 2.0 can still be practical and reliable choice. So overall, the better plan really depends on the individual's needs. If someone is looking for more advanced feature and customization, ReAssure 3.0 may offer more flexibility. But if someone prefers a simpler structure with solid core benefits, ReAssure 2.0 can still serve as a good health insurance option. And I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between ReAssure 3.0 and ReAssure 2.0. And if it is, then do like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.